Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about water cycle. So let's start our today's video. First, on here I have drawn a diagram of a water cycle. Diagram of a water cycle, and diagram of a water cycle. And first of all, we need to know what is a water cycle. Now I'm going to tell you what is a water cycle. Water cycle. The circulation of the surface water from the to the atmosphere and back to the earth is called an water cycle. Now, and it consists of evaporation, condensation, and rainfall. First of all, I'm going to tell what is evaporation. When water is changed into a vapor from the seas, lakes, ponds, rivers, and oceans, due to the heat of the sun is called evaporation. Now I am going to tell you about condensation. What is condensation? Condensation. Condensation, where when vapor when vapor when vapor conducts when vapor conducts, forms droplets of water. It forms clouds, and that process and this process is called condensation. Now I'm going to tell you about rainfall. What is in rainfall? Rainfall. When the air carries away the air carries away the cloud, and when the cloud is cooled, the rain happen, and then rain is starts. And now I have told you about rain and rain evaporation and condensation. Now I am going to describe this diagram. First of all, this sun hits up this pond and this ocean, and then tiny drops tiny bubbles are, we can say, droplets go up, and when the water is heated by the sun, it is called an evaporation. And then the droplets go up, and then they form a cloud, and then they go up in the air, and they cool, and then the rainfall and then rain begins. Now I'm again going to tell you. First of all, this sun hits up this pond and this ocean, and then the uh, droplets, little droplets go up. When the sun hits, it is called an evaporation, and then droplets come up, and then became a cloud. They became a cloud and go up in the air, and then cool, and then and that process, and when they became a cloud, that process is called an condensation. And when and then they cool, and then and the rain begins, and that is rainfall. This was for today, friends. I'll see you next time at next video. Bye bye.